Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain what a scope box is in Revit, why it is used, and how to create and apply it in a project. Scope boxes are very useful for controlling view extents and maintaining consistency across multiple views. Let's get started. A scope box is a 3D control element used to define a specific area of a project. It helps control the extents of views, grids, levels, and reference planes. By using scope boxes, we can maintain consistency between different views and improve project organization. In large projects, different views may display different extents of the model. This can create inconsistencies in documentation. Scope boxes help standardize the view boundaries and ensure that related views display the same project area. Now let us see how to create a scope box. Just go to the view tab and select the scope boxes tool. Click the drawing area and draw the scope box around the required area. For this example, I want to show only the toilet area in all floors of the building. This is three-story building and I want to create consistent views of the toilet area across all views. After creating the scope box, just select it and provide an appropriate name. In this example, I will name it as toilet 1. Then apply it. Next, we need to adjust the height of the scope box. So that just open a 3D view and switch to print or elevation view. Here you can see both the section box and scope box. Adjust the scope box height so that it covers all required levels of the building. Once the scope box extends across all floors, it can be used in multiple floor plans. Now go back to the ground floor plan. In the properties palettes, locate the scope box parameter. In this scope box, select the scope box that we created, which is toilet 1. As you can see, the view is automatically cropped to the required area. Next, open the first floor plan. Repeat the same process. Go to section box and select toilet 1. This is same for second floor also. If scope box is activated, the crop will automatically gray color, so you cannot edit the crop view. If you want to edit the crop view, so need to select none, then only it will editable. So this allows us to maintain consistent view boundaries throughout the project. Scope boxes can also be applied to section. By applying the same scope box, you can control the visible area and maintain consistency across sections and floor plans. This helps improve drawing presentation and reduce the need for manual adjustments. To summarize, scope boxes are powerful tools that help control view extents, maintain consistency, and improve project organization. They are especially useful when the same area needs to be displayed across multiple views and levels. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Revit and BIM tutorials. Thank you.